OpenAI tool destroys Google AI Studio? You're spending hours switching between tools. Your AI agents are losing context. You're stuck waiting for one task to finish before starting another. And you're wondering why coding with AI still feels this messy. Well, that just changed. February 2nd, 2026. OpenAI just dropped something that changes everything. Hey, I'm Hada, and today we're breaking down the brand new OpenAI Codex app that just launched for Mac. This is not another code completion tool. This is a full command center for managing multiple AI coding agents at the same time. And I'm going to show you exactly what it does, how it compares to the tools you're already using, and whether it's actually worth the switch. First, let's clear something up. Codex and Google AI Studio are actually solving different problems. Google AI Studio is a web-based prototyping platform where you test prompts with Gemini models before you build something. Codex is a software engineering agent built specifically to write code, manage projects, and handle long-running development tasks. They're in different categories, but everyone's comparing them because developers need to pick their tools. And Codex just raised the bar. Codex isn't just one thing, it's a whole system. The brand new Mac app, a command line tool, IDE extensions for VS Code, and cloud-based agents that can run tasks for hours without you babysitting them. The app is mission control for your AI team. Here's where it gets interesting. The Codex app lets you run multiple agents in parallel. Each one works in its own thread, so you can have one agent refactoring your backend code, another one writing tests, another one generating documentation, all at the same time. And they don't interfere with each other. Most AI coding tools make you wait. You ask for something, it works. You wait, then you ask for the next thing. Codex doesn't work that way. You delegate tasks and supervise them like a manager. They handle this through Git worktrees. Each agent gets its own isolated copy of your repository, like giving each AI assistant its own sandbox. They can experiment, make changes, even break stuff, without touching your main branch or each other's work. When an agent finishes, you review the changes right in the app. See the diff, leave comments, ask the agent to fix something, or approve it and merge it in. When I first started learning about AI coding tools, I got overwhelmed. Skills. This is where Codex goes beyond just writing code. Skills are reusable instructions you can give to agents. OpenAI built a library of skills their own engineers use, implementing designs from Figma, managing linear projects, deploying to Cloudflare, Netlify, Versal, generating images, and you can build your own custom skills. Once you create a skill, it works everywhere. In the app, in the command line, in your IDE extension. You can share skills with your whole team through team config. Then automations. You set up an automation with instructions and a schedule. Daily, weekly, whatever you need. The automation runs on its own. When it finishes, the results show up in a review queue. OpenAI's own teams use this for issue triage, finding CI failures, creating release briefs, checking for bugs, all the repetitive stuff that takes time away from building. Codex runs on GPT-5.2 Codex and Codex 1. These models are specifically trained for software engineering, not general chat, not creative writing. Code. GPT 5.2. Codex was trained on real-world coding tasks, building full projects from scratch, adding features, writing tests, debugging, large-scale refactors, code reviews. During testing, OpenAI saw it work independently for more than 7 hours on complex tasks, iterating on code, fixing test failures, eventually delivering a working implementation. The quality is different too. GPT 5.2 Codex scored higher on coding benchmarks than previous models. On SWE Bench, which tests real-world software engineering tasks, it solves actual bugs from open-source repositories. It handles refactoring tasks from large established code bases. Multi-file changes, thousands of lines of code, languages like Python, Go, even OCaml. The model dynamically adjusts how much time it spends thinking based on complexity. Simple requests get fast responses. Complex tasks get more reasoning time. Now let's compare Codex to what else is out there. GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant that plugs into your existing editor, $10 a month for Pro. Works in VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, Visual Studio, NeoVim. Gives you autocomplete suggestions as you type, plus a chat interface. Recently added agent mode that can run tasks independently. The free tier gives you 2,000 completions per month. Cursor is a standalone IDE built on top of VS Code, $20 a month for Pro, deeper AI integration, features like Composer that can edit multiple files at once, agent mode that reads your whole codebase, chat with 3 modes, agent for full codebase changes, ask for questions, manual for focused edits. Cursor supports more models natively. OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek. You can use custom API keys. In benchmarks, Cursor is faster. Average task completion is 63 seconds versus 90 seconds for Copilot. Here's what's still rough. The Codex app only works on Mac right now. Apple Silicon, M1 or newer. Running Mac OS 14 or higher. Windows support is planned but not available yet. The IDE extension is focused on VS Code, no official support for JetBrains or Visual Studio yet, and Codex is built specifically for software engineering. It's incredible for coding, but if you need AI help with tasks outside of development, you'd use a different tool. If you're already paying for ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month, Codex is included. No extra cost. But if you only want Codex, you're still paying for the whole subscription. There's no Codex-only plan. For heavy users, ChatGPT Pro at $200 a month gives you 6 times the rate limits for local tasks. Early feedback has been mixed. Some people love the multi-agent workflow. They say it's changed how they think about coding with AI. Other people find it overwhelming. Too many moving parts. They prefer the simplicity of an autocomplete assistant. The learning curve is real. You need to shift your mental model from writing code to delegating tasks.